Hello everyone, and welcome to our lesson on aircraft materials, hardware, and processes. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of aircraft construction and maintenance, exploring the materials, hardware, and processes involved. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand why it's important to learn about aircraft materials and processes. Understanding the aircraft materials used in construction and maintenance is crucial for ensuring safety and reliability of aircraft systems and structures. Efficiency, knowledge of aircraft materials and processes allows maintenance professionals to perform repairs and replacements efficiently, minimizing downtime and optimizing aircraft performance. Innovation. Advancements in material sciences and manufacturing processes drive innovation in aircraft design, leading to lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient aircraft. Now, let's explore some key concepts related to aircraft materials, hardware, and processes. Aircraft materials. Aluminum, widely used in aircraft construction due to its lightweight and corrosion-resistant properties. Composite materials, including carbon fiber and fiberglass, used in modern aircraft to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. Titanium, known for its strength and durability, often used in critical aircraft components, such as landing gear and engine parts. Aircraft hardware, fasteners, such as bolts, nuts, and rivets, used to securely join aircraft components together. Bearings, critical for smooth operation of moving parts, such as engines, landing gears, and control surfaces. Seal and gaskets, essential for maintaining pressure integrity in aircraft systems, preventing leaks and ensuring safety. Aircraft processes. Machining. Precision machining techniques are used to fabricate aircraft components to exact specifications. Welding. Used to join metal components together, ensuring structural integrity and strength. Non-destructive testing, NTD. Techniques such as ultrasonic testing and X-ray inspection are used to detect defects in aircraft material without causing damage. Now, let's discuss some real-world application of aircraft materials and processes. Aircraft engineer. We need to replace an aluminum panel on the aircraft fuselage. Let's use prefabricated composite panels for a lighter and more durable solution. Maintenance technician. During inspection, we discovered a worn bearing in the landing gear assembly. Let's replace it with a new titanium bearing to ensure reliable performance. In conclusion, understanding aircraft materials, hardware, and processes is essential for ensuring safety, reliability, and efficiency of aircraft operations. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to explore further resources to deepen your knowledge of aircraft materials, hardware, and processes.